YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate EMI in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to calculate EMI, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a EMI calculator. Okay, so if I change any value here, you will see if I change this value to 50,000, okay, then you will see the value will change, okay, according to my principal amount. If I change the rate, okay, if it is make it to 12%, you will see the value will change. And if I change this, okay, for 12 month, you will see the value will change. So like this you can also create an EMI calculator. So how to create that EMI calculator, I will show you in this video. We will use this for formula: PMT, PPMT, IPMT and PB. PMT is payment, PPMT is principal payment, IPMT interest payment, and PV is principal value. Okay, so how to do it? So first I am going to just remove all the formulas. Okay, so what is the outstanding amount? Outstanding amount, the remaining amount, okay, to pay. So first, as this is the first month, so the remaining amount or outstanding amount is equal to the principal amount. Okay, then here it will ask for principal. Okay, so what is the principal? Equals to, we will use a formula PPMT. Okay, now click on it, then it will ask for rate. So rate is this. Okay, so now you have to click on this, and then as it is annual rate, okay, this is the annual rate. So we have to as we are going to find out month wise, so we have to convert it into the month. Okay, so but divided by 12, and then we are going to log this, okay, cell, because every time we use this cell, okay, in this formula and in further cells also. Now comma, now per means the first month, as it is first month principal, or second month, so as it is first month, so you have to click on it. Then NPR means period of time. Okay, so we have taken the loan, this amount for 12 month, okay, EMI, so you have to choose this one. Then what you have to do, you have to just lock this also, because it will remain constant. Then you have to click on comma again, and it will ask for principal value. Principal value is this, just click on it, and then you have to just put minus on before principal value, and you have to also log this, because the value will be same for whole cell. Okay, then you have to just close the bracket, and okay, so this is the principal value. Now we will find out interest. Okay, so to find out interest, we will use a formula equals to IPMT formula. IPMT, okay, choose it, then it will ask for rate again. Now click on it, and as now we will convert into the month. Okay, then we have to lock this, click on F4 for locking this, then comma, okay, then it will ask for per, this is first month, click on it, then it will ask for NPR, period of month. Now you will lock it also by clicking F4 in your keyboard. Then you have to PV means principal value. Okay, I will ask lock this also. Okay, then close, and before PV we have to put minus. Okay, then it will ask for EMI. Okay, now this is EMI column. So how to find out EMI? Equals to, now we will use PMT. For PMT we have, it will ask for rate. Now click on it, divided by 12, and log this. Okay, then here you have to comma NPR means period of time, you have to log this also. Then it will ask for PV means principal value. Okay, I will lock it also, then close, and before principal value we have to put minus. Okay, so this is the first EMI for the amount of this. Now again we have to just create an outstanding here also. So for find out the outstanding of second month, what is the outstanding? This first month outstanding minus EMI, okay, equals. Now we will just paste this to the bottom, okay. And also just so like this you can find out EMI and EMI or calculate EMI in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.